If we are trying to simplify and rewrite this rational exponent, first thing you do is reduce the fraction. It's pretty simple, hopefully, to 2/5. And then you have to remember to change it to a radical. You have to think about, okay, which is going to be the root. And the way I remember it is the roots of a tree or a plant are at the bottom. So if you think of this as like a tree, 2/5, the bottom is the 5, so the 5 is the root. And the root goes right there. Because if you think of a regular square root, it's called a square root because there's a 2 right here. So this is a root 5, or a 5th root of x squared. Again, this becomes the root, this number goes inside with the x. Okay, so if you look at this one, we're just going backwards. So the 6 is your root, so it goes to the bottom of the fraction. The 20 goes to the top. Then you reduce. Make sure you reduce, and you're done. When you go to here, we are simplifying, and our goal basically is to create a power right here that is an integer, positive or negative whole number. In the process, you look at 125. You go, what cubed squared or whatever is that? Well, that right there is 5 cubed. Okay, 125 is 5 cubed. And then you take these, power to a power you multiply, so you're multiplying those two. When you do multiply these two, the 3's cancel, leaving -1. Okay. 5 to the negative first. Well, negative powers drop, so it's 5 on the bottom. You don't need a first power because the first power basically isn't necessary. So the answer is simply 1/5.